Meaning of grasshopper.
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 Grasshopper. The word grasshopper refers to a type of insect that is known for its ability to hop or jump long distances. These insects are typically found in grassy areas and are known for their distinctive chirping sound. In some cultures, the grasshopper is seen as a symbol of good luck or prosperity, while in others it is associated with laziness or procrastination. Overall, the grasshopper is a fascinating creature that has captured the imagination of people around the world for centuries.